What is up, my dudes, and that one girl who wants to get discount Irish today? This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear or Kemimoto gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-goodness like these cool guys here? Boom! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. What do I ask you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it? Got it? Cool. Let's move on. Alright guys, so we are picking up where we left off after torturing Jacques the Whipper one more time, and we are heading over to the Guinness factory. Open Gate Brewery, I believe this one is called, the Maryland version. So, you know, no, we did not magically transport over to Ireland. We are still in Maryland, but this is where Guinness is. And we've been here a few times, and let me tell you, oh, Red Palm. It's good. It's a good place to visit. They've got good food. They've got good beer. No, it's not just all like, you know, Guinness Stout. They have other stuff. So come with us. See what's new from last year. Let's check it out. Or if you weren't even here last year, let's check it out. The cool thing is, where we're staying hotel-wise, we're over by the Baltimore airport. Guinness is only like a mile away, so it's so convenient. And then we also just learned that our hotel has like happy hour, and our first 2 drinks are free too. So I mean, if we play our cards right, this could be a good night. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So let's go do it, shall we? That on-ramp is like a death trap. Holy crap. Blind turn with oncoming traffic and no lights. Holy hell. Oh, so I've said it before, I'll say it again. I do enjoy the Maryland area, especially like the Baltimore area. It reminds me a lot of Boston. And right down to those completely like Widowmaker turns like that. Holy crap. So yeah, we're almost there. We're almost there. This is a quick, easy way. In fact, we are there. That's how quick it was. I think I paused the video for like a minute tops. All right, so there is our Mecca. There is where we are going to be hanging out. Let's get in there. Let's do this. Heading into Guinness. Let's do it. this is where we say goodbye to Guinness and goodbye to Jerry. He didn't want to hang out with us for the night. We're heading back to the hotel. Stacy's feeling a little under the weather, so she took a Uber back. I'm gonna come back after this and pick up her bike and bring it back here. And Corey is bringing her daughter back to the hotel, so we got them covered. That's what bikers do. We cover each other. No matter how much we give each other crap, we cover each other. So yeah, this is where I will leave you guys. Is this the first time you see me go to Guinness? Is this like second or third video you watched on it? Do you like it? Like, let me know. Hit me up. Tell me about it. All right. We'll do this at a red light. Why the hell not? Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know is like, I wish I could go to Guinness. Seriously, it's right there. Just go. Unless of course you're an island, then you know, go to the original. Lots of stuff, trust me. See y'all on the flip side.